lather it up. Lather it up. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all gonna be about skin and hair. So I've got a lot of amazing skincare products that I've been wanting to talk to you guys about, and so this was like the perfect opportunity. I feel like I've gotten my skin to such a different place than it used to be. Like, it is clear now and glowy and hydrated and moisturized. So lots of good skincare stuff, also some hair stuff. Again, I feel like my hair, like, I've got it to a completely different place. A lot of you may know I've been wanting to grow it out for a long time, and it never grew. And look, this is my hair with no extensions. Like, I'm actually kind of shook because it was not growing for a long time, and I'm really happy because the product that I'm about to talk about, it's first of all bomb, but second of all, I'm getting to work with Redken on this video, and regardless of that, like, that's just an added bonus because this product will speak for itself when you try it out. So we've got this whole little trio that is a new line from Redken, the extreme length lines. We have the shampoo with biotin, the conditioner with biotin, and then the leave-in treatment with biotin. It's so good, okay? It's so good. The whole line is pretty much designed to grow out your hair longer and stronger because it has that biotin in it. And biotin is basically just gonna prevent the breakage so that your hair can grow out healthier, which again, I love. So for the shampoo, I'm sure you guys know how to use shampoo and conditioner, right? But I just wanted to give you guys a few little tips. So with this shampoo particularly, and if you are trying to grow out your hair, what I like to do is actually like really lather it up in there. Like, really get in there, massage the head. That helps stimulate hair growth. Lather it up, sit there. I honestly sit there for a good probably like 3 to 5 minutes just lathering and massaging my scalp because I feel like it's like really gonna like get fortified in there with that biotin and do the most work, you know, work the best, I should say. Lather it up, lather it up. And then with the conditioner, this is a super lightweight conditioner, so I actually put it all the way from the root to the ends of my hair, which is very rare. I feel like with most other conditioners, you cannot do that, girl. Like, you are gonna get really oily hair up here if you put the conditioner all the way to the roots, or it's just gonna weigh your hair down and you're not gonna have any volume when you style it. But with this one, again, because it's so lightweight, I can do that. And once again, I feel like I'm getting that like full 360 biotin treatment. Wow, what a businessy term. 360. Yeah, but you're getting like that, you know, full range of biotin power. And then we have the leave-in treatment with biotin, obviously. This might be my favorite product out of the trio. I obviously use this trio like all together. That's where you're gonna get the most benefits, but I'll use this throughout the week as well. Basically what this is obviously a leave-in conditioner. So you want to have this to really get those ends moisturized. For me, I noticed that in the past, before I was using this, I would like go throughout the week, and by the end of my shampoo and conditioning cycle, when I was about to go back in and like wash my hair, my ends would be so dry. So this has really helped me with that, and again, it's gonna prevent that breakage. So I'll put this in after I shower while my hair is still damp, and then as it dries, it has that conditioner in it. But another little tip that I like to do is even after my hair is already dry, I'll put this in the ends, and you know, if I'm gonna wear it in a bun or in a braid or anything where my hair doesn't need like fullness, I guess you could say, I will put this in, and it helps to moisturize throughout the week, and it makes my hair feel so soft and just so good. But yeah, in conjunction with like using the whole set, I've really seen a difference. And if you are trying to grow out your hair and nothing else has worked, like honestly guys, I was trying everything. I had like hair supplements that I was taking, which did work, but then my laser hair removal, it literally like reversed the effects of my laser hair removal. So I honestly had to stop taking them because I was like, okay, there's no way that I'm going through this laser hair removal and then simultaneously gonna be reversing it with these supplements. So I found that this has just been the best solution for me, and it really works. I'm getting so sweaty. I have to take this off because I feel like my hair is literally sticking. So moving on to skincare, this product has been a game changer for me. It's a really cool product, and honestly, I've never really seen anything else like this on the market. So it's Shiseido Ultimune. Look how pretty this packaging is. It was like a limited edition packaging, but it is so pretty. So anyways, what this is actually a concentrate. It's not a serum, it's a concentrate. So you put this on before any other skincare products, and it actually helps basically boost the other skincare products so that they're doing their job, and basically it increases the effects of anything else. So if you use this and then you use a scar gel, for example, it's gonna speed up the process of those scars healing. If you use this and then, you know, a hyaluronic acid, it's really going to moisturize because it's doing the most. Like it's like a boost for your skincare. And it feels really good on the skin. It smells amazing. Ugh, oh my God, it smells so good. I feel like I get like addicted to the smell of my skincare, but you can see it does leave your skin quite nice and glowy, and just has like that nice feel. When you first put it on, it's like a medium thickness, but then it really does like soak in there and have that lightweight consistency. So highly recommend if you're looking to kind of invest in your skincare. You know, I think skincare is one aspect of your beauty routine where it is good to invest. You're gonna have that skin, your skin, not that skin, but you're gonna have your skin for the rest of your life. So it's really important to use products that really, really work and do their job. And I love this because it basically is a product that makes other products do a bomber job than they would have before. You know what I mean? Bomber, I don't think that is a word, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I have a couple different like facial brushes that I wanna talk to you guys about. This Clarisonic massage head, I swear it has been like a ride or die for me for over a year now, maybe even a year and a half. It is so good. So this is the massage head on the Clarisonic Mia Smart. And basically what this does is you turn it on. It has this like vibrating motion to it. And these little, like this little triangle fits onto like where your cheeks are, where your bone structure is, and it actually helps to sculpt out your face. I know, it's pretty crazy. I go right under the cheekbone, and then I go right under the jawline specifically. Those are like the two main places that I personally use this because I have a round face. So I really like to like uplift those areas, sculpt out the face. And I swear every single time I stop using this and start using it again, I really notice a difference. Like it's not placebo effect. Like I really, really notice a difference. And I just feel like it helps me feel the most confident in my own skin because I'm getting that sculpting from my skincare instead of just always having to do it with makeup. As far as like my actual facial brush, I've been using the Vanity Planet Radia. I've talked about this before, but it has 3 different brush heads. You get the daily one, the exfoliating one, and then the sensitive one, the one for sensitive skin. That's also antibacterial, which is really cool. But I usually use just like the regular daily one. But it's so important to be washing your face really, really well. I would say typically I use this at night because I want to get off all my makeup and any makeup residue, and you'd be shocked to see like how much makeup still comes off even after you've already cleansed. When you think that it's all gone, it's usually not. So definitely recommend this. I might have a discount code, like an old one that you guys could use. So if I do, then I will link it down below for you guys. All right, and then for serum, just a little key pointer. I usually put my serum on my face first, then go on with this. So I don't use this on dry skin. I use it when I have my serum on. So for my serum, double serum from Clarins, so fire. It just really plumps up the skin. It gives you that hydrated look right away because it's a double serum. So it actually has 2 different serums inside of one, basically a 2-for-1. It has hydric and lipidic, which is gonna give you, again, that moisture, but also that plumpness, anti-aging, glowy skin. So good. I'll show you guys what this serum looks like. So it does have that very, oh my God, it smells so good too. Oh my God, it smells so good. I literally get addicted to my skincare scents. Like I actually get excited to do my skincare because I feel like that scent just means so much to me. It either means, you know, obviously in the morning I'm like getting ready, I'm in a good mood, I'm playing my jams, whatever. And my skincare routine is like part of my, it's like a little, not meditation, but a little therapy for me to do my skincare actually. This is such a cool product. So this is the Kate Somerville DermalQuench Wrinkle Warrior. They have a normal DermalQuench. I use the Wrinkle Warrior that's in this pink tube. The normal one is in a silver tube. I use the pink one because it has even more hydration in it. And I've talked about this before, but I really have to include it because it's such a cool product. Not seen anything else on the market, but pretty much Kate Somerville is, you know, really well known for her oxygen facials. This is like an at-home version. So when you apply it, you actually spray it on, and do you see how it like bubbles up and then you just press it into the skin? It makes my skin feel so good, you guys, so good. I can really attest a lot of my plumpness and hydration to this, because, you know, obviously I have really dry skin. Speaking of which, I'm so thirsty. I'm sorry, I have to take some water. But actually, speaking of water, this is a really good tip too. I was breaking out like crazy. Just like insane amounts of breakouts, especially along my chin and my cheek area, and I couldn't figure out why. And for me, like one of the first things that I normally think about when I start breaking out is either stress, am I in a super stressed period of time, or am I not eating correctly? Am I eating too much dairy? Am I eating too much sugar? I actually went to get a facial, and the facialist told me that when you have super, super dry skin, if you are not hydrating correctly by drinking enough water, and your skin becomes dehydrated, then any amount of oil or bacteria that you put on your face, like, you know, if you're touching your face with your hands, if you're out and about, whatever, if bacteria gets into your pores, it immediately causes a pimple to form, which then can cause breakouts to form, because then you already have the bacteria on your face and it can spread really easily. If you are keeping your skin hydrated, then the water in your body actually naturally pushes out those breakouts so that your skin remains clear, which was like mind-blowing to me. When she told me this, I was like, what? And it made a lot of sense because I had, like, the day before I went to this facial, I had just gotten off a plane from New York. So, you know, obviously planes really dehydrate your skin. I wasn't drinking enough water. And then when she said that, I looked back, like I thought back over the last week or so that, you know, I had been traveling and whatever, and I definitely was not drinking enough water, and not even as much water as I normally do. So, moral of that long run-on story is that if you have super dry skin, make sure you're always drinking enough water. That can make a huge difference in how your skin looks, in reducing breakouts, and just in general, like the plumpness of the skin as well. Even if you have skin that's normal to oily, I obviously still recommend drinking a lot of water, because it's like a game changer. Like, seriously. Even I feel like it makes my under eyes look better. I forgot to say one more hair thing, but this is really, really important. I obviously love wearing my hair up, snatching it up into a bun. We love a good snatch moment, but try to use as little bobby pins as possible. This was such a weird notion for me because obviously when I was growing up, like I was just putting bobby pins in galore for like my skating competitions and stuff, but they can actually really damage your scalp. And I had this where I put a bobby pin in, or a couple bobby pins in, too deep, and it scratched my scalp, and honestly it did not heal for months, and I would always feel it back there, hurting my hair, and that obviously prevents growing as well, because your scalp is going to be damaged and the hair follicles are trying to like work to get your scalp going again. So just something to keep in mind. It's actually really interesting. I found a lot of techniques where you don't have to use bobby pins and your hair stays in really, really well. I'll try to do a hair tutorial on my bun that I do, where it's like slit down the middle and then it's a tight snatched up bun, because I think that could be really helpful. And again, just using as little bobby pins as possible has been my go-to lately, because I don't want to damage my scalp anymore and I want my hair to grow. So anyways, those are my little tidbits that I wanted to tell you guys about. Now, getting back to the products, Kate Somerville Delo Oil. Oh my God, it is so good. It is moisturizing, it's lightweight, it's anti-aging, and it smells insane. If you have a chance to go try this, oh my God, this has to be my favorite smelling thing of all time. Low-key, I don't know why, but for me, I feel like this smells like fruity pebbles. And I know that probably none of you are gonna think that, even if you do try it. But for some reason, when I put this on my face, I literally smell Fruity Pebbles. It's so crazy. But yeah, so Fruity Pebbles in an oil, but really great anti-aging benefits and also just that moisturization. So I want to talk a little bit about Derma Planing. This I got at Sephora, and it's just basically a little razor. It's from Stacked Skincare. And what you do is you take this and run it down the sides of your face. I get a lot of peach fuzz. I feel like I'm a little bit on the hairy side. So I do get, you know, like stuff like that. And this helps to not only take that away, but also exfoliate dead skin cells. And when you're doing that, you're seeing the revitalization. That was not the word, but you know what I mean. You're seeing your skin underneath really come back to life because those dead skin cells are getting off, which makes way for new skin cells to give you that radiance that you want. And I feel like whenever I use this, my makeup applies so much better on my skin because it has a smoother surface to lay on. So definitely something to look into if you do have a lot of peach fuzz, if you want a really great way to exfoliate, that's just gonna make a huge difference in your makeup. So speaking of makeup, Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Booster. This has been my go-to primer for months now. I just feel like it does such a great job of really giving you that boost, that like plumpness, youthfulness, radiance, and it's lightweight, so you know, when you apply it, it just sinks into the skin. You can apply any foundation on top, but I've typically been using the Reboot foundation because it does have skincare benefits. So I feel like it's doing a lot for my skin. And I've been really into skincare this year. That's like the #1 thing that I've been interested in, just because I've been on this like whole skincare journey, and I really feel like I found some really solid products. So, all right guys, if any of this stuff makes such a difference in your life as it does in mine, let me know, because I'm so excited for you guys to try out these products. Like, truly game changers. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications if you want to see more videos. And again, thank you so much to Redken for working with me. I was so excited because I truly am such a fan of Redken products. Like, I've been using them for years and years and years because they're so affordable and work so well, like work just like a high-end product. So yeah, thank you again, because I was so excited for this line and so excited to tell you guys about it because it really does work. But yeah, love you guys so much. I feel like I already said that. Whatever, you guys know what I mean. I am hot, I'm sweaty. I cannot believe how hot it is today, but love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.